In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial, Transfer or Expense. QuickBooks Online is an incredibly efficient accounting tool that allows you to manage your finances with ease. Whether you're transferring funds between accounts or recording an expense, QuickBooks makes the process straightforward. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to handle both tasks seamlessly. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about transferring money between accounts in QuickBooks Online. To begin, click on the New button, which you'll find located at the top left corner of your QuickBooks screen. This button is your gateway to a variety of options for managing your finances. Once you've clicked it, a menu will appear. From this list, select the option labeled Transfer. Now, you'll see the transfer screen where you'll need to input a few details. Start by specifying the account the money is coming from. This could be your main checking account, a savings account, or any other account you use in QuickBooks. Then select the account the money is going to. Again, this could be another business account, a personal account, or even a savings account. Once you've chosen the appropriate accounts, it's time to enter the amount being transferred. Be sure to double check that the amount is correct to avoid any discrepancies. After you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to finalize the transfer. Simply click on the Save and Close button. This will record the transaction and close the window, ensuring your transfer is securely logged in QuickBooks. Next, let's move on to recording an expense. Just like before, start by clicking on the New button at the top left corner of your QuickBooks screen. This should feel familiar by now. Once the menu appears, select Expense from the list of options. You'll now be presented with an expense form. This is where you'll need to provide the details of the expense you're recording. Begin by filling out who you paid. This could be a vendor, a utility company, or anyone else you've made a payment to. Next, specify the associated accounts. For example, if this expense is related to office supplies, you might select your office supplies expense account. Finally, enter the exact amount of the expense. Just like with transfers, it's a good idea to double check that you've entered the correct amount. Once everything is filled out and accurate, you're ready to save the expense. Click on the Save and Close button, and just like that, your expense is recorded in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it. Transferring money and recording expenses in QuickBooks Online is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.